Hello everyone, in front of me is Tecno Camon 18, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if you wish to force restart of this phone, all you have to do is to tap on power button and keep holding. Still hold. And once you feel the vibration and see Tecno logo, you can release the button, and then within a couple of seconds your device will be rebooted and you'll be able to use it again. And that's it. Now just provide your screen lock password and you can smoothly use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.